Hey guys, welcome to Automotive Technica. In this video, I'm going to show you a basic drone which is found to be good. It's like a toy, but it's not in the license range. The thing is like this has got a dual camera.
This is
Yeah, so this is the bottom one and this is the front one. You can select it, and with the two pilot LEDs which are in white color. And this is a gray in color and with the flexible foldable drone, and it comes in a bag like this. So you can order it from Amazon, and I'll post the link. I have purchased it approximately in 6K. That is overall price. It varies days and time to time. This comes with the propeller guards. I don't recommend to put them because once I put, the propeller was not that free flowing, so it requires some kind of adjustment of these guards. And then coming back to the batteries, I've got two batteries with this drone. So one comes at least approximately, the flight time is around 11 minutes. 11 minutes.
to 15 minutes.
So the kid here is like he flown it once, and I'll show you how he flown. And the thing is like one of the battery got a bit bloated, so I am going to replace this and getting a replacement for that. And this is
This is
remote.
T88 Pro's remote.
Yeah, so this is a T88 Pro's remote, and it comes with two counter propellers. Thing is like I believe these are of the same SY1A and B. So this will be 1 and 2 and 4 here. So you can replace it with one. So one goes only one side. So that is like a counter extra propeller they have given. So if it is like one on the clock side, this will rotate on the anti-clock side, so the direction of the blades will change. So if one of them goes, so this is the clockwise, so the clockwise propeller will work. So this will not work, this will go on the right side of the drone. So the front part is this, and we have a battery compartment similar to the professional drones, and it's very lightweight. So I recommend to fly it on the open ground and when there is no air. So otherwise you have to bring it back, and it has got an altitude hold control. So coming to the app, it has got an app here, and the paperwork gives you a barcode, and I would suggest to put it on a proper phone which has got a protection for any kind of antivirus or something. That I recommend, because we don't know from where this app is originating. And if you are using a phone which is for your office use or something, I would recommend go through this app and disable all the background processes. So that will be safeguard from a personal side. So for iPhones, I believe there is a lot of protection. For Android also there is a lot of protection nowadays. So this does not hamper your any other data. So sharing the data between two apps is a bit dangerous. So I would say that use this app in a standalone mode. So coming, there is one more paperwork. That's fine. But what I like is this kind of a bag of a bit low quality. So that is also good on this part. So the flying part and all, this screwdriver is used to open the back cover, and here there is one screw here, and you can put the batteries.
But that screw is not included.
Yeah, the screw is not included with this. I believe there was some misplacement. There's a type A micro USB, and this will be going for a 5-volt charging the battery. So this battery has got another compartment housing over it, where you can connect it to the micro port, the micro USB for charging. What's the charging time it takes?
It takes some 1 hour.
Okay, approximately 1 hour, but it takes more than that if you have proper charger which balances the current. Then I believe that it will be a best thing to charge. So this is in the pairing mode. So once I pair
This
it,
is the new version drone.
so if I start it here, then I just move the stick, it will get paired. 1 second, hold on, just show front and back.
And the light LED stabilizes off is in
Yeah, so it is not yet stabilized, it is not on because I don't have battery here. So once I put a battery inside this, just push above and below, it will lock with the drone. So this is the remote which has been loaded with the batteries. Now it takes 3 AA batteries, and now the drone is in pairing mode, so forward and backward. So now this has been paired. So if you just start it, it has given a throttle, and if you give it more, it is an altitude hold facility, and I hold it down to stop the propellers. So altitude hold means it will go to at a certain level, and it will be holding its height for that particular level.
Like this.
So you can leave the throttle at that stage. So that is a very good and beautiful feature. It makes this drone very stable, and it has got an inbuilt algorithm to hold the altitude. So that's all guys. I'll just show you the videos where you fly it on the ground, and stay tuned. You can see the drone.
I need a Wi-Fi video from this camera.
For that you need to put your phone properly. In that, attach the phone. You let your father take. My eyes are. I did let your father take it.
I need please turn it on. I need the.
Do what you are good into. Don't copy other people and run behind them. They will make you run behind. That's a life theory. If you run behind people, people will make you run behind them. And they enjoy it. They enjoy doing it. That's what the people are. Ignore all the people. Just enjoy your life.
Come, bring this side.
Bring it here.
Not on the road.
Good control. He has good control, right? This is the first time he is enjoying his drone properly. Otherwise, always on the roof, it will go somewhere low. Can you put it little more higher?
No, there is lot of air stream.
This one I can't.
There is lot of air.
Yeah, there's lot of.
So this height is okay.
Wow, this one I like. Yeah. Beautiful.
I need some this kind of the Wi-Fi. Put everything in it. Put everything in it. But it's distracting me.
Yeah, I told this thing that
Wi-Fi 40 only. Wi-Fi only. And open the place. You will see the camera in the.
you can focus there. You can use later also.
Have you seen that?
It's your drone.
Turn the camera off.
It's our drone only, na? Yeah, I have not done the camera. Please also.
Can you land it? Can you land it slowly?
I can't.
Can you land it slowly?
Please turn on the Wi-Fi.
It's done.
No, please.
Look for the focus one. Either you play
Open the video camera.
video cam.
Yeah.
So it is landed here after some few minutes. I didn't check the time, and it's auto landed because the battery was down.
Okay guys, let's do with it with the second battery. I like that drone. Wait, let me see the Wi-Fi connection. No Bluetooth. Open Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi 4K WA7. It's going to now. And let me get back to its Wi-Fi cam. Start
Camera started.
and not started yet. What happened now? Just showing only mountains. What? Let
You
me.
have to start the drone.
It has started. Blue light I could see. Which it's connected to not over the right. So I'll
It's
switch
showing
it.
na ground now.
I'll switch it to the something other cam.
You watch only drone, not the video, okay?
Watch only drone, okay? Not look at the video.
Don't look at the video.
Drivers look at the vehicle.
I know.
Like Mama was like.
Gaya.
She's going far.
It's gone, gone.
Bro, what happened now?
No bro here.
I don't know what's happening to it. I'm gonna move it then.
You have controls. Why you are moving?
Open.
You glide nicely, not nice.
There's a lot of wind.
Yeah, there's lot of wind.
Bring towards you, no? The
Bring
front.
it that
Yeah.
side actually. He's taking this drone that side.
I'm walking with it.
Little more top.
This is front, right?
High.
Left.
That's why don't bring it high.
Keep it in the center, not in any other house side. Mukun, no.
Not going inside anyone's house or near to their house. Bring it back.
Oh.
Lift and bring it.
Lift and bring it.
Pull it back. Now you have controls. Remote control. Mukun, too far.
No, it's okay. Bring it back. Learn to get it back towards you.
Something
Towards
getting
you.
out of control.
Yes,
back and
like
back.
this, towards you. Control it towards you. No, that side.
No. Let me bring it back.
Yes, towards you.
That is correct. You have to. Mukun is against the wind. You have to go against the wind.
It is windy, Yogu. It's not going against the wind. That's routine.
Shall I show you?
No, it's okay.
He will not give to me.
He will give it to you. Oh, it's me who is capturing now. Video recording you're doing?
Always doing it, but still it's always goes.
It has two cams, front and the bottom. It captures the ground.
Not me. Good boy.
Right towards tree.
No. Immediately you have to take actions.
It's always better.
It's always going right and left.
Wind is